Friends, hello everyone. Today I will show you one very useful invention with which you can burn a large number of wires in just a couple of minutes, and most importantly without losses and smoke, so be sure to watch the video to the end. I am sure it will come in handy for you. The basis of our device will be a gas cylinder. Earlier something like a boiler was made from it, which was installed in a furnace, water was poured into it, it heated up and remained warm for a very long time. Friends, remember a gas cylinder is a very dangerous thing. You cannot just cut it with a grinder. Even if it seems to you that there is no gas left there, it can ignite and explode. In order to be able to work with it, it must be rinsed very well. First, we need to cut off all unnecessary parts and close the holes that remain after them. Friends, if this is your first time on my channel, be sure to subscribe. Here interesting videos are released every week. Next, we cut off the top of the balloon. Try to be as smooth as possible, then we will make a lid out of it and it should fit very tightly. We cut off the pipe and lower the legs below. All we have to do is weld the door hinge to the lid and come up with some kind of lock. I am just learning how to weld, so I hope you will not criticize me for the quality of welding. As you can see, the lid closes pretty tightly. Now let's weld on the lock. I decided to make the lock from a bolt and a nut. Right now I will weld everything to the balloon and you will understand how it will work. Well friends, almost everything is ready. Let me explain how it will work. To begin with, you will need to place the balloon in a large iron barrel and fill it with wires, then put firewood around the balloon from top to bottom and set it on fire. With this construction we will save a lot of time and firewood. When I have enough thin wires, I will definitely show you how everything works. That's all friends. If you liked the video, rate it, like and subscribe to the channel.